This video is going to help students understand how to plan for advising and registration using Rogers Central. It can be found on the university's homepage, rwu.edu, at the very bottom of the page. You want to log in using your student credentials. This includes your first initial, your last name, and your assigned 3 numbers. It is the same as your university email with no @. Once logged in, you want to click on the Student Planning tab. If you don't know what courses you need to take, you want to select Go to My Progress under View Your Progress. If you scroll down on this page, you can view the requirements for your core classes, your major, minor, and core concentration. It shows what you've taken and what you need to take to graduate, along with various course options. You want to select the courses in red you have not yet taken, or use the search bar to view specific course requirements. After you have selected the desired course, you want to view available sections and click Add Section to schedule. Section details will appear where you can officially add the course to your planned schedule. Once your courses are selected, you can view all of them under Plan and Schedule. Keep in mind that before you can officially register, your advisor must approve your schedule by pressing Advisement Complete. You will receive an email the day after this is completed. This process will prepare you for meeting with your advisor prior to registration and will make registering very simple. When you return to Rogers Central come registration time, you will want to click on the Student Planning tab. Next, you want to click on Go to Plan and Schedule under Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes. You will then want to click on the right arrow icon until you reach the semester you're registering for. The courses you have already planned will appear in yellow, and to register them all at once, select Register Now in the top right corner. When you officially register, your courses will turn green and you are ready to start the upcoming semester.